everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. Now clearly this is just a really quick video, but it's just because my mind was wandering off at a tangent the other day and I was cleaning out some of my crochet storage and I was looking through all of my hooks and I was putting aside, you know, ones that I had duplicates of and just keeping my most favourite hooks really accessible. And that is when I found my biggest crochet hook that I've ever used. And it just got me wondering, because obviously I know there are crochet hooks out there that are much bigger than this. So I just wondered what the biggest crochet hook is that you have and that you have used. Because I just thought it'd be really interesting to see just how crazy some of you are. So this is my biggest crochet hook. So you can see obviously it is quite a chunky beast. And this is a 25mm hook. So obviously the majority of my projects that you've seen me do tutorials on here, I've used anywhere up to maybe a 6mm, the occasional 7, and I know that I have one where I've used a 10. So yeah, the 25mm one has never been used for a tutorial, but I do think it would be a good one to use for a tutorial if I had some really super duper chunky yarn, or maybe just doubling up some of that really chunky, extra chunky chenille type yarn, maybe using 2 strands of that at a time with this absolutely huge hook would be a really nice idea. It would make the most amazing blanket. Oh, but can you imagine an amigurumi made with a hook this size? I can't imagine how enormous that would end up. But anyway, this is a KnitPro solid wood 25mm hook. That's why I've got this little background on, because when I tried to film this on my normal wood grain table, it was a little bit, made my eyes go a bit funny, so I've popped just this little background in just so that you can see the hook a little bit better. So as I say, this is a KnitPro one. Considering its size, it wasn't very expensive. I think I paid £7 for it, something like that. But yeah, you can see it's got a slight little bit of wear here, like a bit of transfer from some yarn at some point just there. But yeah, it was actually relatively easy to use. I was thinking I was going to get the most incredible wrist ache and finger ache, but I have to say I tend to find that the smaller the hook, the worse the pain in my little fingers seems to be. I don't know if anyone else is the same, but it's always the little finger on my left yarn holding hand. When I crochet with a tiny yarn, that is what seems to be the most painful for me. So also, if you have any tips for helping get rid of that little finger pain when using thin yarn, please do let me know in the comments. But anyway, let me know 2 things. Biggest crochet hook you've ever used, and actually maybe even the smallest one you've ever used as well. But yeah, let me know the biggest hook you've ever used, and if you're mentioning really big hooks, it would also probably be really helpful for other people to know what brand the hook was, so if they wanted to try and use one as well, they knew what exactly to look for. And also little finger pain help comments, also really appreciated. But that is it for this one. I will see you for a normal tutorial really soon. I know this one's a little bit of a weird video, but I was just really interested to see what the absolute mammoth crochet hooks out there that have been used. But I will see you for a normal video soon, but thanks as always for watching, and bye for now.